Hi everyone, I have another Christmas recipe for you. Tonight I'll be making sweet potato cranberry bake. What all goes into the sweet potato cranberry bake? For the bake, 4 large sweet potatoes, 2 cups cranberries, fresh or frozen. These were fresh, but I had them frozen. 1/2 cup brown sugar, packed. 2 tablespoons butter, melted. 1/3 cup orange juice. For the topping, 1/2 cup walnuts, chopped. 1/4 cup brown sugar, packed. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 3 tablespoons cold butter. So let's begin. Take a 2.5 quart casserole dish and spray it with non-grease cooking spray. And set it aside. Preheat the oven to 350. So I have my 4 sweet potatoes here. They're not real big, but they're a decent size. I washed and dried them and cut off the ends. I'll put them in a big saucepan. Then I'll put water in enough to just barely cover the sweet potatoes. Then bring the sweet potatoes up to a boil. So the sweet potatoes are boiling. We'll turn it down to a simmer and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until they are tender. So after 25 minutes of simmering, the sweet potatoes are tender. The fork goes right in, comes right back out. We'll drain it and let it cool just long enough that we'll be able to handle it to peel it. I can hold on to them, so I'm a little bit hot, but just peel the sweet potatoes and I'll finish that up and then we'll slice them up. It's actually a little bit easier just to peel the peeling with your fingers. It's a little bit hot, but it's quicker. So take your sweet potatoes and cut them into 1/4 inch slices or thereabout. And I'll finish that up. So take your sweet potatoes and layer them in the casserole dish. And these are 2 sweet potatoes, with just 1/2 of them on the bottom. Then take 1/2 of your cranberries and put them on top of the sweet potatoes, which this would be 1 cup on this layer. And then take 1/2 of your brown sugar and sprinkle that all over it. And then 1 tablespoon of your melted butter and pour that on there. And then repeat the layers. So my 2nd tablespoon of butter got unmelted, but it'll melt in the oven. So then take your 1/3 cup of orange juice and pour it all over the top. Then cover it. Then put it in a preheated 350-degree oven and bake it for 30 minutes. So while the sweet potato cranberry bake is in the oven, we'll make the topping. We'll take the 1/2 cup of the walnuts chopped. They may not be as chopped as they should be, but they are chopped. The 1/4 cup packed brown sugar. The 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm going to mix that up. This is going to be like a streusel topping, but it's going to be a little bit chunkier because of the walnuts. And then put your 3 tablespoons of cold butter. I did cut them up in small pieces. I have a pastry blender. I've never used one of these before. We'll give it a try. I will get this all done, and we will set it aside until it's ready to put on top of the bake. So after the 30 minutes, we take it out of the oven and put the crumb topping on top. And then put it back in the 350-degree oven for 10 minutes or until the topping is golden brown. So the sweet potato cranberry bake is out of the oven. So here's the sweet potato cranberry bake. And rounding out the meal is bacon-wrapped turkey breast. Let's see what Dave thinks. Sweet potato cranberry bake.
It's pretty good. The cranberries are kind of tart, and this is kind of sweet. I like it. Sweet tart.
You're my sweet tart.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.